Hey, real estate agents, Kelly here, and I want to share a couple things with you about lead generation, how you can create marketing campaigns that literally has your client calling you where you're not doing the cold calling. Real estate lead generation has changed over the last couple of years. In the past, we were able to run home evaluation leads on or ads on Facebook, and we would get 100, 200 leads a week for about $10, right? And then all of a sudden, real estate agents started seeing these ads, and they all jumped in. And literally within 24 months, it got to be where running these home evaluation ads became very expensive, right? And they weren't generating the kind of responses they did at the beginning. Well, that's just natural with lead generation. In the past, before a lot of the rules changed with email and cold calling, you could get on the phone, crush it, and just go to town calling everybody. Well, things change. Everything changes. Marketing changes. It's very fluid. Do not call lists. There are literally law firms hunting for people like you. If you do a lot of cold calling, if you happen to accidentally call somebody on the do not call list, we've heard of agents getting hit for 10, 15, 20, $25,000 fines, right? Again, marketing changes. One of the things though that has remained steady, it's changed, but if done properly, direct mail absolutely helps you as an agent crush it. Think about it. What other um, marketing strategy can you do that gets almost a 100% view rate outside of texting? And you have to be careful. If you don't have permission to text and you're texting a bunch of clients, well, not even clients, just a bunch of leads, you can run afoul of national laws. So, guys, again, be very cognizant of what's going on with your marketing. Make sure that you're compliant with a lot of the federal and state rules. But this gets me now into direct mail. I want you to look after you're done watching me talk below on the description. I'm going to drop some valuable information for you. Guys, this will be worth the read. I'm going to talk about our direct mail platform. I want to talk about personalized closing gifts. When I do a closing gift for one of my closings, my clients are literally blown away. And it doesn't take that much for me to create these closing gifts. Now, I'm not going to go into what they are on this video because I have on the description below a video walkthrough site. Just click it and take a look at some of the unique things that we do with our Mailbox Power Direct Mail program. Guys, lead generation platform built directly into this. It's not just designing a postcard and ordering a bunch of them. Guys, this goes way beyond that. So you can generate leads directly in the platform. There is a killer postcard creator as well as done for you cards for real estate agents. There's an automated post drip campaign, and this is where we actually score big time. We set up different niches like probate, pre-foreclosure, FSBOs, and expireds. We set those up on automated drip campaigns directly in the system. It's the most unique thing that I've ever used with marketing using direct mail. We also have an automated referral system built into the platform where you literally can stay top of mind with your clients. Don't ever miss a referral again. You know what? Let's just be honest. Agents, sometimes we get lazy and we forget our clients have birthdays and anniversaries. What if you never missed another one again? Well, Mailbox Power will help you automate that and literally put it on autopilot. Now, below the video, I've got it'll say watch my complete video walkthrough. Take some time to look at it. If you haven't seen it yet, you're going to be amazed at the system. Listen, I'm going to show you how to find targeted buyer leads with a 650 credit score, making 100 grand a year in any zip code, in any city, in any neighborhood. I'm going to show you how to find targeted seller leads that have 100 grand equity in their home, that's been living there for 7+ years, that has X amount credit score. I'm going to show you how to find those inside of the system and then put them on an automated drip card campaign. I'm going to show you how to automate your FSBO and expired marketing, automate your pre-foreclosure marketing, automate your probate marketing. I'm going to show you an open house strategy that no other agent is using and you've never heard taught before. Never miss a referral again, and you are going to gain access to my private coaching group inside of Facebook where we get real deep with some of these strategies. Guys, I also have a 14-day free trial link to our software. Go ahead and do it. There's 2 levels, whichever you're more comfortable with. You can start with Pro and upgrade to Executive later, but you get a 14-day free trial. You can literally start sending out cards the next day. Now, just this year alone, in our team, myself personally, and even though I'm a full-time real estate agent, I'm more of a coach and a systems creator. So I'm not really full-time selling, but just this year with FSBOs, I'll close over $65,000 in GCI. I might have spent $400 in direct mail, right? I got a guy on my team doing $12 million a year just with FSBOs. He never cold calls. He spent about $3,500 in his direct mail for this year to get $12 million in sales just with FSBOs. And every one of these clients called him for the appointment. Now, a bonus, I'm working on a training right now, guys. When you go ahead and use the free trial and you jump on board and start learning how to dominate with direct mail, I'm going to be releasing a training in the next couple of weeks. This is going to be a life changer for some of you. I'm literally going to show you how you can take 12 FSBOs next year, just 12. That's one a month. I'm going to show you how you can easily set appointments with offers they cannot refuse. Nobody's training on this. You're going to get secret access, a backstage pass to this training. I'm going to show you how to get 12 FSBOs in 2022 and generate over $130,000 in income. Guys, this training will be off the chain. I promise you, nobody is showing you how to do what I'm going to show you. So guys, go ahead and look below. Look at the comment section. I will pin the free trial link on the comments below the description. But please, if you're not using direct mail and you don't want to use my program, go find one that you like and start using direct mail with all of the other lead generation sources you have. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. Make sure you read the description below, get the links, get the video website, and then I'll pin, like I said, the 14-day free trial on the comments below. It'll be the first comment pinned. Take a look at it. When you get your free trial, I'm going to give you an email. You're going to get about 15 or 16 of my already done for you cards. They're editable. You can start using them right away with different niches. I'm going to give you a complete video training suite from me, an agent who's using this at a high level, to you, and so much more. All right, guys, that's it. Go ahead and look at the description below. Get your 14-day free trial. And I look forward to releasing my new training coming up in the next couple of weeks and showing you how to generate 130 grand next year just with FSBOs. Guys, when you see this training, you're going to be amazed. All right, that's it, guys. I appreciate you, and I look forward to talking with you guys on the next video.